Picture this, your kitchen table is a finance battlefield, a bank app, a messy spreadsheet, and sticky notes about a credit card you keep meaning to crush. You know your income, you feel your expenses, but you cannot see budget, savings, and debt as one coherent plan. Today, I will walk you through WealthForge AI, my Google ADK multi agent financial coach built with Gemini and Streamlit. Three specialized agents take turns. First, budget analysis, then savings strategy, then debt reduction, each reading the previous agent's state. Stay with me, this is not a magic money printer. It is a self hosted coaching desk that turns your numbers into charts and clear next steps. One lonely chat often mixes soft pep talk with vague advice and never finishes a debt match story. You ask, should I save more or pay debt first? And you get a pretty paragraph with no category pie chart and no Erlenchi versus snowball timeline. Personal finance coaching really needs three lenses: spending truth, savings runway, and debt payoff order. WealthForge keeps those lenses in separate Gemini agents, then runs them in sequence so each handoff stays coherent. The budget analysis agent, it categorizes spending, finds waste, and writes quantified cut recommendations into state. Meet the saving strategy agent, it sizes an emergency fund, allocates monthly savings, and suggests automation habits. The debt reduction agent, it compares avalanche and snowball payoff plans with interest and months to freedom. A sequential agent coordinator owns all three. Budget writes first, savings reads budget, debt reads both. On the screen, Streamlit gives you income fields, CSSV or manual expenses, up to 10 debts, then Plotly charts for the results. Before we open code, keep this mental map. Inputs in, three agents in order, structured schemas out, interactive dashboards on the page. First, look at the real 4 layout from the GitHub repo so nothing feels mysterious later. At the project root, you will see app.py. That file is the Streamlit desk, P project, Tom, README, MIDI, LICNSE, and the WealthForge package folder. Py for default schemas, Py for Pydantic contracts, CSV utils, Py for uploads, system, Py for the agents and display, Py for charts. Should hide Venv, Python cache, and NV secrets so Google keys never get committed. Requirements: tcust with me in Visual Studio Code. We will read every dependency line. Pin that panned at 0.1.0. That is Google's agent development kit for Lomagent, sequential agent, runner, and sessions. The second line is Streamlit version 1.40 or newer. That builds the interactive financial coach UI. The third line is Pandas version 2 or newer. We use it for CSV tables, GroupBis, and dead data frames. The fourth line is Matplotlib version 3.7 or newer. It supports plotting stacks that Plotly may lean on in the environment. The fifth line is NumPy version 1.26 or newer. Numeric helpers under pandas and charts. Version 1 or newer. That loads GeoGUI API KEI from a local NV file. The seventh line is Plotly version 5.15 or newer. Pie charts, bar charts, and comparison views in Streamlit. The eighth line is Pydantic version 2 or newer. Output schemas force each agent to return structured coaching objects. At PyProject, Tom, it names the project WealthForge AI version 1.0.0. At RePython 3.10 or newer sets the MIT license and points homepage and repository to the GitHub URL. Author metadata list sharedcare and hello at sharedcare in matching the README credit. Keywords call out Google ADK, Gemini, budget analysis, debt payoff, saving strategy, Streamlit, and Plotly. Alright, open WealthForge/config, Py the small settings file. The first line sets appname to WealthForge AI. That string becomes the Streamlit page title. ORCT and AUH/ORG2B are project credits. They document who built and maintains this coach. In and AUH/ORG2B points to GitHub, com/sharedcat equals WealthForge advisor. That is the ADK application name used when creating sessions. ID equals default user. Sessions attached to that user ID for the in-memory service equals Gemini 2.5 flash. That is the brain every Lomagent will call. CSV is a tiny 3-row template string with date, category, and amount, housing, food, transportation. EK is a list of 9 label and key pairs: housing, utilities, food, transportation, healthcare, entertainment, personal, savings, and other. Big clarity. Defaults live here, so system. Py and app. Py stay readable. Now open WealthForge/schemas. Py. This is the contract that keeps Gemini answers machine readable. We import list and optional from typing, then base model and field from Pydantic. Spending category holds category, amount and optional percentage. That is one slice of the pie. Spending recommendation holds category, recommendation text and optional potential savings dollars. Budget analysis ties it together. Total expenses, optional monthly income, spending categories list and recommendations list. Emergency fund holds recommended amount, optional current amount and current status text. Savings recommendation holds category, monthly amount and optional rationale. Automation technique holds name and description like an automatic transfer on payday. Saving strategy nests emergency fund recommendations and optional automation techniques. Debt holds name, amount, interest rate and optional mint payment. Payoff plan holds total interest, months to payoff and optional monthly payment. Payoff plans nest avalanche and snowball, each a payoff plan. Debt recommendation holds title, description and optional impact. Debt reduction holds total debt, debts list, payoff plans and optional recommendations. Each agent sets output schema so ADK stores structured objects in session state, not free-form fog. /CSV utils. Pi. This is how bank style uploads become clean transactions. Parse a CSV transactions text file contains bytes. It decodes UTF pandas and requires date category and amount columns. If a column is missing, it raises valuer with the missing names listed. Day strings. Amount strip $signs and commas, then cast to float. It returns a dict with transactions, records and category totals records from a group B sum. Validate CSV format takes an uploaded file object and returns a boolean plus message tuple. It sniffs for headers. No header means the CSV is rejected. It rechecks required columns, then tries to pass dates and numeric amounts. If everything passes, you get to an CSV format is valid. Soft failures become clear error strings for Streamlit. Switch to Wellforge/system, Pi. This is the heart of the Forge. JSON, logging, typing helpers, pandas, then Google ADK pieces. EC. Agents we import Lilm agent and sequential agent. EC. Runners we import runner. EC. Sessions we import in memory session service. Genai we import types for the user content message. NEM, ADK USRID and the mini module from config plus budget analysis, debt reduction and saving strategy from schemas. JSON loads on string state values and returns a default if decoding fails. Finance Advisor System is the class that builds the three agents and runs them. In init, we create an in-memory session service. Sessions live in memory for one analysis, then get deleted. Budget Analysis Agent is an Loom agent named Budget Analysis Agent on GMMN module. Its description says it categorizes spending and recommends budget improvements. Its instruction tells it is first in the sequence to break down categories to 100% and to store state budget analysis. Output a schema is budget analysis and output key is budget analysis. That is the handoff key for the next agent. Saving strategy is second. Its instruction says read state budget analysis first, then size emergency funds and automation. Schema is saving strategy, output key is savings as strategy. Debt reduction agent is third. It must read both budget analysis and savings strategy before writing debt plans. It builds avalanche and snowball payoff plans, interest totals and acceleration tips. Output a schema is debt reduction, output key is debt reduction. Coordinated agent is a sequential agent named finance coordinate agent. Sub-agents equals the list budget, then savings, then debt. Order is the coaching story. Runner wraps the coordinator with API name and the session service. Now the async method analyzes finances. This is what Streamlit awaits when you press analyze. It builds a unique session add with a finance session timestamp. Initial state copies monthly income dependence, transactions, manual expenses, and debts. Create a session opens that ADK session with the initial state. If transactions exist, the preprocessed transactions groups spending by category and totals. If manual expenses exist, the preprocessed manual expenses sums them and stores category maps. Or create a default results builds safe fallback object so the UI never crashes on empty agent output. Content packs the financial data dict as JSON text inside a GenAI content user message. Runner run async streams events until a final response from the coordinator author. Then we rewrite the session state keys budget analysis, saving strategy, and debt reduction. Each value is parsed safely or replaced with the default for that key. Finally, we delete the session so personal money numbers do not linger in memory longer than needed. That pipeline is the forge. State in 3 specialists, structured coaching out. Open WealthForge/display. Pi. This turns agent JSON into Plotly and Streamlit widgets. Display a sweat preview shows metrics for transaction count, total amount, and date range, then category totals and a sample head. Displayed up analysis draws a Plotly pie for spending categories, then an income versus expenses bar, then recommendation metrics. Display a savings strategy shows emergency fund size, a progress bar toward the goal, allocation lines, and automation tips. Reduction shows total debt, a debt bar colored by interest rate, then avalanche snowball, and comparison tabs. Those 3 display functions match the 3 result tabs you will open after analysis. Open app. By the Streamlit entry point, we will walk the UI path the way a learner clicks it. For a Cincio or Spandas, Streamlit Duten Vloder Duten, then WellForge help us. Author credits, Expensi Kitigarais and Sam Pili CSV from config. We pull parse and validate helpers from CSV utils, display helpers from display, and finance advisor system from system. Runs early so go early API QI can come from NV. Config sets page title to app name aim, a money bag icon wide layout, and an expanded sidebar. In the sidebar, setup and templates shows author links and a password field for the Google API key. It types into Oz and Vayan LU API KE for this process. A download button CSV as expense template. CSV so learners can practice uploads. Key is this, Streamlit shows an error and stops. No silent failure. The main title is APNAM with a caption about multi-agent coaching on Google ADK and Gemini. Financial information and about. Inside financial information, income and household asks for monthly income and number of dependents. Upload CSV transactions or enter manually. CSV by validates format parses rows, shows a preview, and keeps a transactions data frame. Manual path renders 9 number inputs from expensive categories across 3 columns, then a live total metric. Debt information asks how many debts up to 10 and collects name, amount, interest rate, and minimum payment for each. My Finances builds a financial data dict and a Cincio. Runs finance advisor system, analyze at finances. 3 result tabs called display budget analysis, display savings strategy, and display debt reduction. The about tab explains the 3 agents privacy notes and author credits. Config names the model. Schemas lock outputs. System runs the sequence. Display paints charts. App collects life numbers. Let me give you a concrete coaching walk. Imagine Priya earns 4,500 a month with one dependent. She uploads a CSV where housing is 1,400, food is 620, and entertainment is 280. Budget agent should flag entertainment and food ratios, then suggest quantified monthly cuts. Savings agent should size an emergency fund from total expenses and dependents, then recommend automation on payday. Here is a second example I like for learning. Marcus enters expenses manually. Rent, transit, groceries, and a gym membership he barely uses. CSV needed. Manual categories still feed the same agent chain, which is perfect for a quick monthly review. Asia lists 3 debts, a high interest card at 22%, a personal loan at 9%, and a small store card at 15% with a tiny balance. Debt agent should show avalanche killing the 22% card first, while snowball might knock out the tiny balance for a quick win. Fourth example from my own desk. Freelancer income of 3,200, 0 dependents, 2 debts and a half, build emergency fund status. Watch how savings and debt recommendations stay aligned instead of contradicting each other because the agents share state. Why this pattern beats one lonely chat is simple. Budget tells the truth about spending, savings builds runway, and debt picks a payoff order with numbers. Plotly pies and bars make the story visible. Avalanche versus snowball tabs make the trade off fuel real before you commit extra cash. Who is WealthForge for? Households who want a monthly budget review without juggling 5 apps. Financial coaches prototyping AI assisted workflows for clients. Developers learning Google ADK sequential multi-agent patterns with a practical finance example. And anyone who wants structured savings and debt guidance from a Streamlit desk on their own machine. You run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/sharedcare/WealthForge AI. Change into the folder, then install dependencies from requirements. Texty with pip. Key as Go Gilated API KI in a NV file or paste it in the Streamlit sidebar. Then run Streamlit run app py and open the local URL shown in the terminal. Try one focus first. Manual expenses plus one debt. Read the budget py. Then open the debt comparison tabs. Remember the disclaimer out loud with me. WealthForge is a coaching and learning tool. It is not personalized financial, tax, or legal advice. Your real bank rules, risk tolerance, and life constraints still matter more than any agent paragraph. Income and expenses in 3 Gemini agents in sequence, structured schemas, Plotly charts out. When your next paycheck wants a coach instead of another sticky note war on the kitchen table, light WealthForge and let the 3 agents finish the plan together.